I am minianum and this for the Dima Tem say added to my caucus so many university no NPP are buying the sea. Now President Mama and a cat sword. Abishafo me betremu data President Mama a cat sword. Now my tremu data construction yes say ye basis so many university no mo President Mama and a sea no. Abishafo Ghana hire to about 2012 Emma President Mama 2013 7 January and yes in 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 30th December, another one, date in the dawn. 30th December 2016, and a President Mama, Echo Catesor, see a basis women university no. Abra 2016, 7 December, ye two abatia President Mama. A woman what does your president dear? By ye two abatia and you no, and what Catesor. One man Catesor 2013. Basi 2015 white man catesod 2016 na ye to abatiano no e no ko catesod abishafo na mi busa say from 30th December basi 7 January ye beso President Akufo-Addo in no how many days, how many weeks, even less than 1 week and also less than 2 weeks ye DC University abishafo ye DC University ana mi busa NDC for date na da ono se me boa ye DC University shortcut no cut yen and da wono ma menkyerem university na o say President Mama na si ye no mo hwe bana na da wono sma hu on say university no and da wono and no maye no project e da wono eno na President Mama esi ye no wo si no mo green book no wo si no sa bana no so wan si no from wan say blog mponi antoy one blog mpo ni entoy timu pe university na President Mama si na ena wo bana no so no mo hwe ena wo so no amu claim say President Mama ene si no afi ma menkyere mu data construction e shaase wo ka President Mama kate so do no so kate so 2016 adentina 2017 construction an shaase if you say na and even issues eba ho eti President Akufo-Addo esolve wie no 2018 date na da wono 2018 officially and President Akufo-Addo inaugurate sa Esomina University no 2018 na construction shaase eti wo ka mo the difference between inherited yamba inherit sa project we ewo NDC for President Mama wan si sa so many university and do level say and NPP aban ebeto aso dabi na block mpo say ni etoy one block just foundation kwa ni entu ni abeto block etimo amoka say President Mama ene si sa university no me say e lie and me satisfy record we straight say President Mama NC just one university mpo e Ghana on see one university e Ghana NPP aban as invested back 6 and NPP aban esi e Ghana asi eti abusuafo 2018 and construction e shaase eti me say NDC for no ombenya ombeka se bibia e Ghana bia NDC na ye ombenya kranko ombeka se e Ghana kra NDC project bibia ya NDC project bibia NDC project bibia adan efuturo na mutugu ye no dabi yentena mo musantu fuduro mu ye ni o yentena ho eti me demo me challenge mo se samu be from TV station a ne embe set record no straight na mo kire university a President Mama asi o e Ghana na me kire university za NPP aban asi o Ghana abusuafo mesi yembe dia grobie mu dabi ye ba with facts eti mo hwe different between university na President Mama asi no and university na President Akufo-Addo esi no fe ye na da no university fe President Akufo-Addo and esi ye 2018 on na president and o inaugurate ye and o si ye and da no eti se mo university na and President Mama esi no so menya na munkom green book num ewom afei meko you has ho phase 2 President Akufo-Addo na kwadi $60 million se obesi phase 2 phase 1 no eye Professor Mills NC ye phase 2 ene da wono $60 million ena me say President Akufo-Addo na kate sword obi kate sword a abusuafo university ni yan starting from scratch wo kate so de kyeresen wo de aso abofom 2021 wo de aso abofom 2024 and wo wieye and okobia no etimu ka kyerem se enyo ni si phase 2 na and this for mo part kyeresen even phase 1 no anya ne nyonko ni phase 2 na president Akufo-Addo si ye no monko hwe the difference between phase 1 and phase 2 university kesiye even yede na kura bie gate and wo si ye phase 2 ho US mo ka chem se enyo ne si ye bibia NDC project bibia NDC project me challenge mo na ma challenge mo se mo mbe kire university president mama si ye nti inshallah 2028 2029 NPP sabeba power